This is the Oasis X. It's a really nice, attractive, very inexpensive smartwatch with lots of great features. Your typical portfolio, flashlight, do not disturb, brightness control, twist your wrist to see the time. You have a little water draining capability on this one. Yeah, it has Bluetooth calling, speaker, microphone in this one, music player, you name it. You go this way, you get your activities of the day, step count, and numbers of times you've stood up, stuff like that. This one gives you readings for heart rate, blood oxygen, and stress. And any one of these you can go into separately and see all kinds of data that it's accumulating over time. Continuous 24-hour measurement on these. You've got outdoor walking and running and a whole variety of different sporting activities you can do. Last night's sleep information broken down in some really good detail here with a chart. On the app, you've got even more information. You've got weather forecast if you turn that on in Fahrenheit, centigrade, in whatever location you choose. And like I mentioned, a music player built into this, and that's Alexa. You can activate with your Amazon account and use Alexa right from your wrist. In addition, when you go up, you've got notifications sent from your phone. Looks like I have a few. And when you go this way, now you get all kinds of the information we've already seen synopsized, recent calls, Alexa again, your readings for blood oxygen and weather and workouts, the charts that you were seeing for stress, heart rate, there's the sleep chart, all of that is available with one swipe. When you tap the button, you get into your overall app drawer, and you can change the look of these icons on here as well. Your basic activity, calling, Alexa are all in here. You got different workouts, all of your biometric measurements in here. You got breathing exercise if you want to. Cycling, ladies, for monitoring your period. You've got camera control, find your phone. You have an active stopwatch that runs in the background. We've been testing that, and it's definitely still going. World clock capability to look at the time in all these different locations, and of course you can adjust which ones and how many. And then your overall settings where you can change your watch faces, and there's a nice portfolio of them in here. And you can even download some from the app if you want to as well. Or, of course, you can press and hold and switch them at your leisure that way. All in all, it's a really nice watch. You can run through everything with a turning crown. It's got a nice rubberized, stiff, flexible band. It's got their little logo on the buckle on it as well. And lightweight and definitely well built. It's the Oasis X. Check it out.